Illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a donut character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our donut character. The first thing we want to do is make the outer circle for our donut. Now from here we want to make a smaller circle for the hole inside of that. Alright, so we're going to put on some icing here. So to do that, whenever you see icing on a donut, you know, there's like patches of it that the icing doesn't hit. So it makes this neat opportunity for us to have a couple different colors on our donut here. So we're just going to put our icing like it's dripping off the sides in some places and then just kind of pooling on the top in a few other places here. Alright, now for the face on our donut, we're going to make two eyes using two oval shapes. So up here towards the top, one, and two. And we want two pupils inside of here. One, and two. Now this is going to be a happy donut, so we want to add a little smile. And we're going to have the arms up. So we'll do two lines, one on either side here, with 4 fingers for each hand. And 2 legs, two little feet. We'll also add 2 eyebrows here above the eyes. Now for the coloring portion of this character, we're going to color the icing a different color than the dough part of the donut. And then you're welcome to add any type of sprinkles or design on top of your icing that you'd like to. So we are going to move into the color portion right now. So you guys are free to grab crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our donut characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators! I hope that you enjoyed drawing your silly donut characters, and I hope that I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!